kids.
Oh. Yeah, I don't want to turn the comments on.
Why?
Why not?
You don't want your fans.
You get so many views.
Yeah.
Have you guys ever read a comment section before?
Okay,
Yeah.
but it's us.
You would never get hate
It's pure trash.
Yeah, you should.
Imagine every
Yeah.
video.
It's like the dumpster of the internet, basically.
I love you, Mr. Jordan.
Okay,
I might rather get hate. Alright, y equals x squared
That'd
out.
definitely be something you'd say.
What?
Or like, I would put that, but
So wait, did we do the equation? I'm sorry.
Oh, did it ask for an equation? Nah. Okay, how about I do it? I'll do it once, but no, I didn't do the equation.
So do we have to do it?
Nah, I'll show you how to do it though. So, a reflection over y equals x, you want the inverse function and you find it by switching the x and the y value. And then solving for y.
The candy cane bear. Oh, I want a candy cane.
oh wait.
Oh, you're big.
I love candy canes.
I can tell.
So,
You're so cute.
oh, don't.
What did I do?
No. We need a spray bottle and every time Hope insults somebody, spray her. Bad Hope.
Stop with the hate speech.
What the heck we
Oh, so
do?
it's-
With
Oh yeah. What did the substitute say?
right there.
What did she say though?
She told me to stop. When Shelby
if
was
she
in front of
wants to
me
stop?
and Dylan was behind me and we were all looking at this one person and like she goes, guys stop, and then like you kinda like slowly like looked over at her because like it's not that big of a deal. And she was just like she like looked me, specifically me, when Shelby was saying being louder than I just said that.
Shelby was being louder than you.
She was.
Yeah. And then I said like I hit you or something, talking
Yeah,
about
like right after.
no, like talking about a video, and then I was like, oh, I'm sorry.
If you
She's
just
like-
say on the left side,
Then
it's
she
the
was
graph.
like,
It's the
Stop.
negative.
She's like, stop.
Exact same.
And then she tried to give us advice on all of our projects.
Oh my gosh.
When you do the
She's like-
equation, you
She's
just
like,
press
is
left side,
it,
right
are
side.
the
But if
wings
they're the
heavier
same,
than the egg?
I would just like to say I won both assignments without her help.
Okay, so
You're like, I don't want it.
Yeah.
Why?
what kind of graph is this?
Right, for all.
Parabola. How do we figure out what it looks like?
But-
Alright, do you guys remember this thing? Negative b over 2a. Negative b would be negative negative 2. 2 times a would be 2 times 1. So 2 is going to be...
Wait, is it 2 times 1?
Huh? Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're right. 2 times 1. Forgot what I was doing. So 1 is going to be the x-coordinate of the vertex. So how do we find the y-coordinate that goes with it? Plug it in. 1 minus 2, negative 1. And then I had you guys plug in a couple points around the vertex, like 2 and 3. So if I plug in 2, I get 4 minus 4, 0. I plug in 3, I get 9 minus 6, 3. This kind of gives us the shape of the parabola. Just those 3 would
I
probably be
don't
enough.
like this assignment.
1, negative 1, 2, 0, 3, 3. And then what did we do after that? Reflect. They put any parabolas on the ACT?
No, I said something about
Oh my god, that there's one. When there's a high
yeah,
parabola. Yeah. I blocked those questions out of my brain, so.
I have one question about matrix.
there was a hyperbole.
Hyperbole
I don't know.
or just a parabola?
Hyper something.
Hyperbole.
Yeah.
Did it look like outside facing parabola?
I think so.
We had to draw it or something.
Wait, what? Did you draw something?
We had to draw. Yeah, how do you draw
We
something?
worked it out.
Yeah, let's say I didn't do that.
Yeah, no, I guess.
Yeah, I just guessed.
Not really.
It was a tough one, huh? Alright, so I'm gonna reflect over the, so this point right here is one diagonal away, so it's gonna go over here. This one, the points on the line are just gonna stay there. This point's one diagonal away. This point is two diagonals away, so it would go over here. Another thing you can do when you reflect over x equal y is just kind of switch all these x and y coordinates. So 2, 0 switches to 0, 2. That's another way to do it. 2, 0 becomes 0, 2. Yeah. Not my best drawing, but it's okay.
So doesn't do anything with our thing in Spanish.
Bro just wandered around the classroom.
Bro literally hates you.
He goes, I wish I had a partner.
He like almost dropped you, not gonna lie. He's like, John, just be my partner. I'm just like,
Yeah,
Not
he
for
wanted
literally
to be
one
partners.
day.
Who's your partner?
That's
Well, he wasn't here on Tuesday.
no.
Exactly. Both of you guys could work. My partner didn't do anything. So when something shows up, like Thursday, Friday.
yeah, no, today's Thursday.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
Ah! Oh, I'm so glad you got it.
Okay, but at least you have pointer.
Yeah,
Yeah, you have Lucy.
Okay, do you guys know what y equals x cubed is gonna look like?
wings.
We did a chapter a long time ago, it's the first semester, but most cubic functions look like, remember this squiggle?
Yeah.
But this one is a little bit special. It's
That's what it showed.
because it's got a triple root, so the squiggle is like all flattened out, so it's gonna look kind of like that. So how could we figure out what the graph looks like though? Just plug a few things in. So actually, I'm just gonna do these 3, 5. I mean. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It's actually very tall. So maybe I'll have to count by 2s. Put a 2 there, 2 there. Okay, if x is -2, -2 cubed, -8, -1 cubed, 0 cubed, 1 cubed, 2 cubed. So -2, -8, -1, -1, and 2, 8. It's kind of a zoomed out view. It gets really flat at 0, 0. Do you think you remembered how to do the stuff on the test?
Thank
You think? Hopeful.
yes.
Do it, dot it.
That makes me your own trigger. Okay, these points are all on that line of reflection, so they kind of just stay there. But 2, 8 is going to become 8, 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. And -2, -8 is going to become -8, -2. I forgot. -8. Yeah, this is called the inverse function. If I switch the x and y value and solve for y, I get y equals the cubed root of x. And that would be that purple graph. Cubed root of x looks like. Issa, how are you doing? Am I going too fast? Did you get number 9 done?
Yeah, I got one.
Okay, 15. Last one. Okay, what does it say? Y equals absolute value of x plus 2. You guys remember what that looks like? What's the graph of absolute value of x look like? I think we did one of these yesterday, actually.
The one and two, but it's up to,
Anybody remember the shape of absolute value of x?
it's a wave, it's a,
Like the V?
it's a.
The v, yeah, is number 6. I guess maybe you might not have got to number 6, but yeah, it makes a v. So the plus 2 is just going to move it up 2. Have you guys heard the song Edelweiss?
Yes. And I'm just singing it. Man.
One time when we were at a school in China, they sang it to us.
In Chinese or in English?
In English? Well, yeah. I think the word Edelweiss is German, but the song is English. In Chinese, they don't have the sound of V though. So instead of saying Edelweiss, they said Edelweiss. Flashbacks. All right. So this point right here is going to reflect blue. This
Yeah,
point,
where's the lavender? You haven't really used lavender.
yeah, I threw it away
No,
because it's garbage.
what?
Fine, fine. I don't know if it's going to go well with purple though.
It will, trust me.
Is it this one?
I think so.
Okay, so this one will reflect, one diagonal away, so it'll be there. Actually, all of these are kind of like one diagonal away. All these points here. So it just goes along that line. This point is like 2 diagonals away, so it'll go here. Like that. This looks gray next to the purple.
I see the lavender.
Okay. I think they complement each other.
Not the red.
The red.
Yeah, the red doesn't.
What should the red have been? you finish 13? I guess I was doodling for quite a while.
Yeah, I finished 17. I just didn't get the X and Y down.
You told me you got number 9.
I know I lied.
You lied to me. How about that color combo?
That's rough.
Okay.
You can tell what's what.
Yeah, sticks out.
Did you go to 11?
Ooh, you totally had that one done, didn't you?
I know I lied.
Didn't you say I'm good or something?
Okay, I'm good.
Are you?
Yeah, I just didn't get down to X and Y.
Okay.
What?
I don't know.
So did you do this one?
I don't know.
So it's kind of like. If you put a negative in front of both of these, on the first graph, it becomes this.
What?
Like if you put a negative in front of the absolute value of x, see how that became negative, put a negative in front of that, it becomes positive. So this graph will be like the opposite of this graph, so it'll just be this graph upside down.
So what's that one?
Upside down.
So
Cause
that
it's like they made this one just a negative version of this one, so it'll be like, yeah, up here and going down.
Right.
You guys want more light or no?
No.
What are the chances of it raining today? Let's look that up.
Like 40, probably.
Yesterday was at 60. Let's see if it's changed. go. I've been recording this whole thing.